Okay, you have to see this backyard transformation we pulled off in 2021. The homeowners were doing a massive house remodel and wanted their outdoor space to match, you know. So they came to us for their dream landscaping. We completely revamped it. We laid down a gorgeous new concrete walkway, framed it with lush plants, and get this, installed a putt-putt green turf so they could practice their golf swing right at home. Plus, we built a sturdy retaining wall and added even more beautiful greenery. It looks absolutely stunning, doesn't it? The homeowners were totally thrilled with their new dream backyard. If you're dreaming of a landscape makeover, seriously, you need to contact Ch&l. We're passionate about creating amazing transformations. All the info you need is right in the description below. Want to see more of our work? Let us know. We might even give you a tour.